So this is a Moto G37 Power, and you can see camera quality. Wait a second. So primary camera 50 megapixel, okay, 8 megapixel selfie camera. So I can say definitely camera is so bad. Even this price range camera is so bad. You will need to, if you are a girl, please don't buy this. This is camera is so bad. So you can see I love the battery, like a 7000 mAh battery, which is very good, and a 33-watt charger. But cameras sometimes feel it good, but sometimes feel this is so bad. So you can see this detailing, zoom in quality, but sometimes it click very good image, sometimes it click very bad. Yeah, if I talk about the selfie, for example, if you are clicking a selfie, it appears you are using a very cheap device. But after you click an image, you see in gallery, you will see the image is good. So I don't know what software are they using, what AI, but that's the all. But I don't know why big YouTuber don't mention the camera quality. They should mention this is the bad camera. But okay camera, we can say camera is okay. They are using AI, so it will enhance your image after you click the image. But in dark blue, bro, this is so bad camera. Please don't buy in dark. Even in cloudy weather, this camera is so bad. I give it 1 out of 5 star.